Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐿 here. Welcome to another video. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. I know I am. It's nice outside. So anyways, in this video today, I'm going to talk about how to automate the sales process in your network marketing or affiliate marketing company without having to talk to anybody unless you want to. Okay, I know that a lot of people are interested in doing that, and once I learned how to do that, it was a game changer. So I want to actually get into it. So rather you're watching me on Facebook or on YouTube land, I want to give you something quick that I'm going to invite you to do right now so that we stay connected. So if you're watching this on Facebook, just turn on your live notification. So when I go live and I give another training or another tip or etc., you get notified. If you're watching this on YouTube, smash that subscribe button and turn on that little notifications bell. Same thing, so that you don't miss out on any trainings, any tips, etc. to grow your business. All right. So let's get into it. Again, we're talking about how to automate the sales process in your network marketing or affiliate marketing company without having to talk to anybody if you don't want to. Okay. So what I see right now online is a lot of top network marketers telling beginner network marketers a lot of the wrong things to do, to the wrong foundational things to grow their business, and all it leads to is feelings of defeat. It leads to a lot of struggle unnecessarily. You know, beginners are being told to do things like make a hundreds list, right? Put everybody on a list on a piece of paper, rather they're interested in your product, service, or opportunity or not. They're being told to corral everybody they know, their mom and them, been there, done that, into every living room. They're being told to do hotel parties and things like that. It's just, honestly, it's not only for a lot of people a waste of time, but they're not interested. So they're listening to this presentation and they're not interested, right? And then of course, spamming in the inbox, dropping a link, being told to, send these random messages to people who are literally strangers. Would you be open to, XYZ if it didn't interfere with what you're currently doing? And the person who's seeing this in the inbox is rolling their eyes, right? Think about it. Have someone ever done that to you, right? And you probably roll your eyes. Have you ever bought any of that stuff? Not likely, right? So when people do these things and they're being taught these tactics, it's like, really, So, that's what people are being told to do. And then people are also, of course, on their own deciding to be company mascots, right? You're literally branding these companies. It's not helping you make any sales. You're slapping up logos, you're posing with all your products on the sofa and all this crazy stuff like that. And it's not doing anything to you. It's not helping you brand you. It's not helping you automate any sales or get any sales at all, right? What people need to learn how to do is to brand themselves, right? To lead with you, right? And then make sure that people know that through you, they can get access to the product, services, or opportunity, not the other way around. Okay. So that's pretty much that. And then on top of that, people are having to spend all day in their business because, one, they can't figure out what it is they need to do a little bit differently to stand out in the crowd. So if you're looking at this picture right here, this is a big problem in the industry where people can't automate their business because they're spending so much time in their business. And on top of that, they're not able to stand out in a crowd. They're in the sea of affiliate marketers and network marketers, leaders, etc. And it's like, how do you make yourself different from other distributors, right? Once I learned that, I was like, oh, okay, I could get on leaderboards and I can make money and I can do this, that, and the other. When I learned I don't have to be like everybody else, and that's okay. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about. So let me introduce myself real quick, because I just was like, blah, 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 and I didn't introduce myself. I'm Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐿, and I provide the training to help beginner network marketers and affiliate marketers be profitable, leveraging Facebook and social media without paid ads or spending all darn day in your business. Because if you understand the processes, you don't have to do that. Okay, so that's what I do. All right, so let's talk about why you would want to automate the processes to help you get more sales in your business. Why do you want to automate your sales process? Why? First of all, because it saves you time, right? No one wants to spend, when people talk about time freedom, right? That means that you have processes in place so that you don't have to spend all day in your business, right? So you want to save time so that you actually enjoy your business, right? And you let your business passively bring income to you, as passive as you can make it, okay? The second thing is the game changer. Okay, so if you pay attention to nothing else I said, boo, listen to this. Okay, another reason why you want to implement what I'm going to teach you is because you want to have a system that presents for you and pre-qualifies people. Okay, when I learned how to be able to attract people to me through my content, and then allow my systems to be able to pre-qualify people and let them sort themselves out. So when people come to me, I don't have to convince them to want my products or want my services or want my opportunity. They've already decided for themselves. Guess what? When they come to me, it's always how much, where's the link to get started, right? They may have one or two questions, but that simple process, people have pre-qualified and sorted themselves. What I see a lot of beginners, what happens is they're convincing people to want what it is they have to offer. They're dropping a link and say, you should want this because this is amazing and it has XYZ benefits and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you can have things in place that already present, sort, pre-qualify people, and all they have to do is get to you to actually purchase the thing that it is that you want. So you definitely want to pay attention to this, because this is a game changer. Okay, this can help you go from beginner to, on the leaderboards, from beginner to profitable in your business when you understand that. Okay, and then again, like I said, standing out from the crowd, learning how to use what I'm going to explain to you in a second to brand you, attract to you the crowd you want, right? And you're going to learn the process that I use to do that. And then you're going to be able to just differentiate yourself from all the other distributors in your own company and your own team. Okay. So let's talk about that for a second. So what I'm talking about, the way that you're going to learn how to do this is to actually learn as a network marketer and affiliate marketer, is to have the tools in your business to help you brand you grow. Right? And one of the ways that you do that is you have a front door to your business. Your front door to your business is your capture page. What a lot of people do is they immediately give people the sales page to their company. And it's normally some sales page that the company put together. It looks like everybody else. Okay. So what you want to do is have a front door. My front door is my capture page. I can brand it. I can put a picture of myself in it. I can give people my contact information on the sales page and say, hey, if you want to contact me, here's my immediate contact information, right? And all of that does is it brands me. It lets people know I'm a real person, and it starts building a connection from immediately as soon as people go into it. Okay. But more than anything, it allows me to capture the contact information of people who already are interested in what it is I have to offer, which is my products, services, opportunities, tools, or whatever. And my capture page is the gateway to my business. Okay. It begins the relationship. Now, when people get through the door, not only are they going to be able to watch a presentation, which we're going to see here. Okay. Oh, I didn't move. Okay, they're going to be able to see a presentation when they get on the inside, right? A video, right? It could be a company video that I just put in there, or it could be a video I made, right? They're going to be able to see a video, whether they're a customer or distributor, about what it is that I have to offer. So if they're on the customer side, let's say it was with a wellness company, then they might see something that says, how I lost 30 pounds in 90 days without working out. They're going to be able to watch a video about that. All right. They're going to be in my list. Okay, I got their contact information. They're watching the video. The video's explaining to them everything. I'm not having to convince them. It's explaining to them how it works, what it does, how it helps people, maybe a couple testimonials, yada, 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 right? They're able to watch that. They're able to make a decision for themselves, if it's for them. Okay, now, so the videos, like I said, it's going to share maybe some testimonials or a story or whatever, right? If it was my own, I might share, hey, thanks for watching this video, how I lost 30 pounds, yada, 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 right? So now they're on my list, okay? Let's say on the opportunity side, I wanted to share a work from home opportunity with someone. I can create a custom capture page, right? How I made my first $1,000 in my first 60 days, or how I made my first, $125 in my first 15 minutes online, right? And there you have it. The person's going to give me in exchange for that information their contact information, and then they're going to see a video that's going to explain to them how the product, service, or opportunity works. Okay, now on the back end, this is how the system works. My system is going to go to work. My autoresponder, which is tied to this capture page system, this is how it's automating my whole sales process, right? On the back end, my autoresponder is going to work, giving them deeper and deeper information, dripping to them more information about what they came to my capture page about. Okay, and that said, as a result of that, they're going to be more educated, they're going to be more confident, and they're going to get to yes or no quicker than a person who doesn't have a system like this. Okay, so if you're, you think that certain people are so good at sales, they most likely have systems like these that they don't have to convince and pull people along. Their system is explaining over and over and over to these people what's in it for them, how it works, how it can help them, how they can get started, how they can buy it. And you definitely want to have a system like that in place. Okay, so here's how you do it. You make sure that you have a door to your business, and that door is your capture page system. Okay, that's a capture system. It collects their email address. All right, it has tied to it a page, which is called the sales page. It explains everything. You don't have to explain and convince anything. Okay, and then on the back end, it has an autoresponder. That autoresponder is following up. It's explaining more. Right? It's telling them, hey, here's another opportunity to buy. Here's a link. And when you're ready, boo, here's a link. All right. So that's pretty much it. And then, what else? I just want to make sure I don't cover anything. So anyways, they're on your list. They're essentially your database, right? So you have an entire database of people who they are interested in losing 30 pounds in 90 days without working out, right? They heard you on a live, and you told them that they could get access to your system if they message you, or you would put it in the comment section, and boom, now they're on your list. They're your database. And on the back end, your system is following up with them as well. This is how you do it. Okay. And then your system is continuously dripping to them more information. Okay. And they have the facts to decide for themselves, not you. They have the facts to decide for themselves, whether or not they want to buy or purchase your product, service, opportunity, and how to reach out to you. Okay, because that's a key component. Make sure that you're in your system, that they have a way to reach out to you. Okay, now what I love about my system, and this is how it saves me time. My system, my capture page system, is presenting for me 24/7. Okay, so what I do is, like I said, I put out simple pieces of content, and it's always out there for me. Okay, working for me. It could be midnight. I've woken up sometimes to sales and leads. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, right? Because while I was asleep, my system was out there presenting for me. And that's what you want in your business. Something that it's working for you 24/7. It's giving you leverage in your business. Okay, so I want to invite you to check out the system that I actually use to do this whole process that I just explained to you today. And it's called the Conversion Pros. Okay, so let me explain to you what it is and what it'll do for you. So what it is, it allows you to create branded custom capture pages, meaning you can insert yourself in it, right? You could tell your own story in it if you want to, and then pass people off to the opportunity. You don't have to explain the opportunity videos, etc., right? This is simple systems that you can do when I say branded custom capture pages and funnels, things like that, right? It's going to allow you to do that. It's going to have an autoresponder, which is just automated messages, email messages that you can tie to your capture page system that will follow up with your customers automatically, your prospects who are interested in your opportunity automatically, and that's going to help you close more sales, and also, again, sort people, right, who are interested and not interested. Okay. It also has, this is a game changer. The Conversion Pros has a full suite of affiliate marketing, network marketing training, meaning that, if you're looking for more than just a tool to be able to give you leverage in your business and help automate some sales processes, but you're also looking to be a better network and affiliate marketer, then you definitely want a system that also gives you training. And that is another reason why a lot of affiliate marketers and network marketers, especially beginners, are failing, because they don't know what to do. What do you do online? And this actually is included. So you get access to the tool, but you also get access to amazing training to help you learn how to be a better network marketer and affiliate marketer. Okay. And then I like that as drag and drop, right? There's systems out there that sometimes are a little bit complicated, and you're like, what? Listen, drag and drop. If you can drag and drop, you can create amazing, beautiful capture pages and sales pages to help you brand yourself, grow your business, etc., etc. Explain, let the system explain to people how it works. All right. So that's that. I want to invite you to check that out. If you want to go ahead and check that out, if you're watching this on Facebook, the link will be underneath the video. If you're watching this on YouTube, same thing. It'll be beneath the video. So I hope that this was of value. Let me know your best takeaways beneath this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.